The Triple Treat: Mastering Homophone Triplets in Everyday English. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. We've been exploring the fascinating world of homophones, and today we're diving into a slightly tricky, yet highly rewarding area: homophone triplets in spoken English. Now you might be asking, what exactly are homophone triplets? These are groups of three words that sound the same but have different meanings and often different spellings. Ready to enhance your English? Let's jump right in. Before we get into the specifics, let's briefly explain what we mean by homophone triplets. Just like homophone pairs, these are words that sound the same but have different meanings. The difference is that instead of just two words, we now have three. It's a fun challenge to identify them, and even more so, to use them correctly in your conversations. Now let's move on to some examples of homophone triplets. 1. I is a somewhat old-fashioned way of saying yes, particularly in a voting context. I is the organ that we see with, and I is the pronoun we use to refer to ourselves. 2. Cite means to refer to as evidence for an argument. Sight is a location or place, and sight relates to your ability to see or something that's visually impressive. 3. Flee is a type of small insect. Flee means to run away, and flee is the act of running away from a place or situation of danger. These are just a few examples. The English language is full of these interesting triplets. Understanding these triplets is great, but the real magic happens when you use them in context. So let's look at a sentence using our first set of triplets. I saw the site of the construction site from the balcony and made sure to cite it in my report. See how the words sound the same but have completely different meanings? This may seem challenging at first, but with practice, you'll become more comfortable and even start enjoying these intricacies of the English language. And that wraps up our exploration of homophone triplets in spoken English for today. I hope you found this video useful and intriguing. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these triplets. Start identifying them in your day-to-day conversations and reading, and before you know it, you'll be a pro. Stay tuned for more enriching lessons on English language learning. Happy learning!